Hey everybody, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy Saturday. Today we're going to do some beef sliders. I got a nice round roast. We're going to be smoking that off on the Weber Kettle over here. And we'll do a few other things on there too. It'll be pretty neat cook. So y'all stick around and I'll meet y'all by the cutting board. Alright gang, here's our round roast. We're going to inject it with some beef broth to get a little flavor on the inside. Look at that, isn't that nice? And I didn't show y'all, I'm using my needle with all the holes in it. There ain't no hole in the tip there. You just, when you inject it, it spreads out inside the meat. So we're gonna hit the inside in the middle here. A little bit crossways. Yeah, buddy. Look at that, nice and juicy. Nice and juicy. Oh man, got a steater. Alright, a little bit there. Oops. That should be good. Alright. We're going to hit that with some of Uncle Steve's original shake. Good stuff, y'all. Now I got the Weber coming up to temp right now. It's going to be some good sliders, I tell y'all what. Real good. So, alright, we're waiting for the pit to come up to temp. So, we'll be back and I'll meet y'all by the grill. Alright, y'all, the Weber's ready. We're going to set this dude on here and let it start rolling. Right in the middle, indirect. I'm going to put a little pecan smoke on here. Let that get going. We'll come check on it in a little bit. Alright, it's been about 45 minutes. Let's see how we do. 126, a little bit more. 30. Maybe a couple more minutes, y'all. We'll come back and check it. Alright, gang, that's 5 more minutes. We'll go ahead and pull this off, get it inside, and let it start resting. We'll get that done. We'll be back in a little bit. Look how pretty that is. Yes, sir. Oh, boy, it smells good, I tell you that. I'll be right back and I'll show y'all what we're going to do next. Alright, we got that did. Now, y'all check this out. We got our cast iron deep skillet. Add up some onions and stuff to that, so we'll be back in just a minute when the skillet's hot. Alright, skillet is hot. We're going to put a little olive oil in here. And also, we're going to put just a little bit of beef broth in here. Look at that. Look at that. We're going to slide our onions in here. There you go, folks. Alright, we're gonna let that get happy and we'll come back and check on it in a few. Alright, y'all, it's been a few minutes. Let's see how we're looking out here. It smells good, I tell you that. Oh yeah. Nice. There you go. Alright. Let me get that pulled off. We're gonna get our au jus in there and let it go. We'll be right back. Alright, gang. The au jus said to use a cup and a quarter of water. I used beef stock. So let's get this in here. Give that a couple of minutes, get it all happy, and we'll be back. All right, y'all, we're done. About 5 minutes there, just constant stirring. Little taste test was pretty good. So let me get this inside, and we'll get ready to build us a beef slider. So we'll be back. All right, gang, it's been resting about 15 minutes or so. Let's cut this end piece off here. Get that out of the way, and we're going to try and slice it as thin as we can. Oh yeah. Nothing wrong with that, gang. Look at that. Nice and medium. Nice and thin. There you go. Look at that. She juicy, look. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Now come up here, let's get a little bite. Man, that's juicy. Get your little bit gizmo. Cheers, gang. We gotta sample it. That is really good, y'all. Alright, y'all, welcome back. We got this dude all sliced up. Man, look at all that pile of goodness right there. Oh my goodness. I got a little mayo mustard mixed up here. We're going to put a little bit of this on my sliders. Alright. A little bit of this goodness here. We're going to pile her up like that. Oh, look at that. Golly, y'all. I mean, this stuff come out so good. Alright. Let's get this out of the way. And let's get some of our onions and put on there. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Holy smokes, y'all. I can't wait to try this. And this might be overkill. I'm going to put just a little tad of lettuce there. I know it ain't a true slider, but you know what? We at the Roadhouse, baby. We do it like we want to. That, and no pickles, a couple of jalapenos. Look at that. There you go, folks. Just like that. Alright, we got our sliders built, y'all. And on the side, I got some horseradish cheddar chips. So, tell you what, y'all come up here, man, let's get a bite of this. I can't wait. Better get my towel. That au jus gonna be everywhere. Cheers to you.
Holy smokes, that's good. Now, as you give it a nice little pop. Then those onions, man, those caramelized onions. And the meat itself is fantastic, y'all. Gosh, that's good. Gotta hit that again. Nice medium. Pardon me. Nice and medium. Tender. Oh, so good. I'm gonna finish eating my dinner. Before I forget, one of them chips, y'all. Horseradish cheddar. Never tried them before. Huh. That's horseradish, alright. Alright, gang. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Y'all have a great weekend. I'm going to get my grub on. We'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.